What's the meaning of chip card? Chip card. Chip card.
Chip card. Chip card. A chip card, also known as a smart card, is a credit or debit card that contains a microchip. This chip stores and encrypts sensitive information, making it more secure than traditional magnetic stripe cards. When a chip card is used at a payment terminal, the chip generates a unique code for each transaction, preventing fraudsters from creating counterfeit cards or accessing personal data. Chip cards are becoming increasingly popular globally as they offer enhanced security, faster transaction times, and greater convenience for both consumers and merchants.